1978, James M. Burns came up with a concept known as transforming leadership. This is something he did and came about by researching political leaders. Mr. Burns believed the process of transforming leadership is when leaders and followers help each other. They help each other to advance to a higher level of morale and motivation. He would sometimes relate this concept to managers and leadership. Mr. Burns believed the differences are in the individual itself, the characteristics of the individual, the value of the individual, and just the overall behavior of the individual himself. There were two concepts created at this time by Mr. Burns. One was transforming leadership, and the other one was transactional leadership. Burns believed the approach with transforming is creating a great change in life. When he says creating a great change in life, what was meant more was the life within a team, the life within an organization, and just overall the life within the people within the organization. Which changes the values and just the overall expectations of the employees, which is always a positive. With the transactional approach, Burns believed that it was more based on the leader, what the leader felt, how the leader react, more of a lead by example type of situation, more of a self-goal situation. He believed that the transactional approach really dealt with how the leader wanted the outcome to be for self, not for the group. Transforming leaders is obviously a team player. The goal is always to work towards the benefit for self and others, the benefit for the organization, the benefit for the community, the benefit for the company, the overall benefit for the team. Burns believed that both concepts were unique but very much different. Later on in 1985, Bernard Mast, he took Burns' concept and he added something to it. What he was able to add to it was a more psychological approach. Basically, what Bass did was introduce the term transformational leadership, which took the place of transforming leadership. Bass added how transformational leadership could be measured. These measurements came by, first, the extent of what the leader does. The measurements also came to what terms of his influences that had an effect on the followers. How did he influence the followers? The followers, they felt loyal, they felt trust, they felt respect for the leader because of his or her actions. This is shown by the leader when they work hard for the team, not more of a self-given goal or self-driven reaction. Giving the followers a mission, giving the followers a vision, which they can relate to, something they feel they can accomplish, is what Base measured to and came to grips that this is what makes a true transformational leader. And he felt that both the transformational and the transactional leader is something that's used together. Unlike Burns, who felt the two were very different and did not coincide with each other, Base felt that these two concepts did work together hand in hand, and one did not work well without the other. Over time, Base theory was proven to be correct, because the impact that is received and achieved by using both transformational and both interactional concepts hand in hand has been proven to be a positive on leadership.